Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I am the author of Toxic Electricity. I'm here today to carry out an experiment on the household electrical grounding system, and to do this we've got a coil of wire right here. We've got a standard AM radio tuned into AM 530, and there's no radio station at that band in this home. It can be tuned in anywhere as long as there's no radio station and you're just picking up static. And we have a switch, and this switch can switch between two grounding systems. One of those grounding systems is a ground rod, non-electrified, that is in my back garden, far away from any electrical systems. And the other one is the household grounding system, which in America, we're in Tucson, Arizona, is actually known as the Utility transformer neutral connection. So I'm going to turn on the radio and we can hear the change in RF interference on the radio as we switch between them. So this is the household grounding system for the electrical system. I'm going to switch to the garden grounding system. So that's the garden grounding system. It's much quieter because there's far less radio waves traveling on the garden ground rod. So let's switch back to the household system. So that's the household system, and we can hear there's a lot more interference on the radio. And that's the garden grounding system, which is far away from any electrical systems. And one more time. That's the electrical ground. And that's the garden ground. So as you can see, there's a very big difference between the interference that is traveling on the grounding system. And most electrical grounding systems do carry interference on them, and if you work with anti-static devices, you should be aware of this, and also be aware of radio wave sickness and the symptoms that can show up if you work with anti-static devices or anything that is electrically grounded, such as metal power tools or metal sewing machines. As coming into contact with a grounding system that has a lot of electrical noise on it may actually make you sick in the long term. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.